While hair loss is perfectly normal when it comes to aging, it can still catch us off guard. Depending on the amount of hair you're losing, it could be more than just simply getting older. Excessive hair loss has been attributed to poor diet, stress, and other environmental factors. When you start seeing more than just a few strands in the sink, or when patches of hair come out on your brush, you might consider changing some of your routines. That doesn't mean going to the store and buying expensive products. It's those same products that could be aggravating a normal situation. Instead, start with something that you can make yourself from natural ingredients that won't affect your budget at all. This treatment will not only keep your hair from thinning, but it will also give it a shine and strengthen the individual strands. After using it for a short time, you should notice regrowth in those problematic areas. Next time you're at the supermarket, grab these 3 simple ingredients: eggs, honey, and castor oil. Here's what each one does. First, the yolk of the egg will make your hair stronger with its high protein content and fat. It can also prevent dryness and split ends due to the vitamin A and lecithin it contains. Secondly, one of nature's most powerful antioxidants, honey works to make your scalp healthier and gives you stronger roots. The natural sugars in the honey will add necessary oil to the follicles. Finally, the castor oil rounds out the recipe by balancing the acidity levels of your hair. It can also get rid of that annoying dandruff you might have seen lately. Here's how you can make and use this natural hair tonic that will make your scalp feel energized and rejuvenated. Take the yolk of 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of castor oil and mix them in a bowl. After stirring them well, apply the mixture to your roots first. Then make sure the rest of your hair gets treated. If you have long hair or don't think you have enough of the treatment, you can always make more. Finally, cover your head with a shower cap and let these 3 ingredients sit for a few hours. Shampoo your hair as you normally would. You can use this treatment up to twice a week. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.